Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Myntri ka Sarkar Jala Bakmi Yagatanat Community and Rural Development Abu Tahir Mondal Lapatha Yau Director Jong Katanat Banwa Dia Jingsei ha kabaydai bat ka Jing Ujor da MLA Jong Kamausan Ram Constituency Ba Olan Singh Bala dawa baka Pisa kabakot Iwei Pon Arsan Klur bala phasai de MLA barim uba Himalaya sang pliang wat hadin bula rem ha ka election kabadai ban penpai biang syakatanat Community and Rural Development ha ka jekran bakilat pathai khubor ha ka laiterik una opra arhajar arpsau Myntri ulai thuru ba ka sarkar kala penbet thamai ya ka office memorandum kabala ailat ya ke MLA bala job thamai ba ken pendon kam ya ka Pisa na ka special rural work program ya ka ba klem pentrikam de MLA ki bala rem ha ka election.
If the money is not spent by the defeated member, that money remains for the people of that particular constituency. No? Okay. It is not given to the MLA. It is for the development of the constituency, for the benefit of the people of that constituency. We don't want that some constituency, as MLA could not return, that people should be deprived. See, OM says exactly that if money is spent, 50% of it should be released to the beneficiary, remaining 50%. If it is not there, then the money will be with the department. And recently we are amending this OM also. We'll allow the new MLS to cast for those. Actually, this has been brought to my notice also by the concerned MLA, and so also the former MLA also clarified. So we asked director to find out exact status of the case. Find out exactly whether the claim and counterclaim, which way it is correct. Any time frame has been given, but very soon we will come to know exactly.